10 Little Indians Project Workshop, Story, Theme, and Quotes. Breaking up projects into smaller, manageable pieces will help you stay on track and help you with time management. Thus, you can avoid the last-minute rush of turning in work the night it's due, which diminishes the quality of your work. Part 1. Individually. Select the following for the 10 Little Indians project. This is a link to the project directions. So select the following: a short story from the search engine, Do Not Go Gentle, Do You Know Where I Am, and What You Pawn I Will Redeem. Then select one of the themes: tribal versus custom versus modern custom, alcoholism, identity, relationships, or loss. Then select 10 quotes from the short story you selected that relate to your theme. Remember to note the page number, if there is any, of each quote, as you will need to reference these in your presentation. Type the quotes in a Word or Google Doc so you can easily copy and paste them in your presentation. Example of quotes in MLA format. There is a link to specific MLA format instructions. So open quote, quote, comma, end quote, author last name and page number. So before the author there's open parenthesis, and after there's closed parenthesis followed by a period. I would like for you to know that the period comes after the closing parentheses and not inside the quote. Then we have a quote, quotation mark, open quotation mark. You will type your quote here, close quotation mark, open parenthesis, Alexi 28, close parenthesis, period. Or you can have open quote, the quote goes here, close quote, open parenthesis, Alexia, close parenthesis, period. Note, the second quote is from an ebook with no page numbers. Dialogue within a quote. Double quotation mark, single quotation. Your quote goes here, comma, single quotation, she said, period. Open single quotation, watch for the punctuation, exclamation mark, single quotation, close double quotation, open parenthesis, author page number, or just author if it's an ebook with no page numbers, close parenthesis, and add the period. Part 2, peer review. You will be assigned 2 classmates to review their theme and quotes. Provide feedback, written 2+ sentences, or audio 1 minute, on the following: how the quotes fit with the theme of the short story selected, if the quotes are formatted correctly using MLA, point to any issues but do not correct them, as this will be done by the student. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Enjoy the rest of your day.